C-Bank versus own bank for your emergency fund. Saan mo nga ba siya mas magandang ilagay? Watch this video. Hi mga sisis, this is Trixie and I usually talk about personal finance. So if that's interests you, don't forget to like and follow for more. Let's first discuss their interest rate. For own bank, meron silang 6% per annum. Sa C-Bank naman, meron silang 4% per annum. For app application, parehas silang madali. So kung wala pa kayong application nito, meron akong sa aking bio. Download lang kayo para makapag-start na kayong mag-save. Pagdating sa ATM card, ang merong ATM card ay si C-Bank. Si Own Bank, wala siyang ATM card. Parehas silang walang physical bank, so kailangan nyong mag-withdraw sa ibang bank. So, 18 pesos yan, kada withdraw nyo. Personally, based on my experience, parehas naman silang maganda, no? Kung gusto mo na mas mataas yung interest, you go for Own Bank. Kung gusto mo naman ng emergency fund na madaling i-pull kasi meron kang ATM card, you go for C-Bank. Parehas ako may savings sa kanila at wala akong masasabi. Again, parehas silang maganda. It really depends kung ano ba yung preference mo. Gusto mo ba ng mataas na kita or gusto mo yung mabilis ma-pull out yung pera? I hope this helps. Like and follow for more.